Unong alam ka Voice of the People Party VPP, but MLA ka Maulay uba Bright Star Well Marbanyang, ha ka arpun Rio Trik Jildio, ula ong kat ba ka jing penlong yak election shiteng samoy jong ka shulong luk sabha, nakmi linti bakan long ha ubanay risaw ni naiwing artarpun Rio, nakanyang ka party kadang yak ka hukum jong ka Iingkashari Meghalaya High Court, halor ka no objection certificate NOC, nakabenta u kyrtong jongka u Dr. Batskem Rubo, Henry kan ban shushong klikti happening jongkata. U Dr. Batskem u badang hikai hapo ka Northeastern Hill University, udang banyo pedang ya ka NOC na ka university, nakabenta banya kun ya kanik election shiteng samoy jong ka shilong luk sabha. Kanika kamenta kadang don hapo ka Iingkashari Meghalaya High Court. Ha ka jing shisha, pilatip syai bakatika kam kadang don hapo Meghalaya High Court, bat ngat haray menta ka syong ha ka Meghalaya High Court ong uba bright, habakren syakilat patay kubor. Hai kini kisisngi ni arsngi banwan, ka Meghalaya High Court kan sapenmi ya ka hukum, bat kat kum kani, manu-manu ki haban pedang ya kata ko hukum ulaong. Habak dawi ki kindon jong ka UGC, ubak berait ula kentho bakam day bandan kenu ke jingkang ban NOC. Ngam yo iya ka daw baha ka jingsisha lada pilet kat kum ki kendon ke UGC, lada pila pendap shisnam ya ka jingshakri ha ka kam, lada don kenu na kibor penyat kin pentip sya ubriu ubadai, lada don kenu ke basniu, Henry lada omdan AA, mardor la pentikna, bat hadin bala pentikna kay nehu. Kadon kam mensyua ya ka NOC ulaong. Habak keli halor ka jing penslam na kalyang ka nehu, ubak berait ulaong. Kata ka syong haki, ngimtip Henry na kabenta jongi, ka election kalong leese hau benay risaw na naiwing ubanwan, kumta ngin omla ban syusyong klikti ngin hap banyakun. Lakban kedo baka jing penlong ya kanik election shiteng samoy jong ka shlong luk sabha, kalong kebadan kam hadin bakala kelat li mentau senam, hakaba na kalyang ka VPP kalapun benaya ka kerteng jong Dr. Batskem Merbo kum ukertong jongka.
In fact, I think you might be aware the matter is with the Meghalaya High Court, and I think it's now it's up to the to the Meghalaya High Court. I think in a day or two, the Meghalaya High Court will issue an order, and accordingly, whoever have to abide by that order, they have to. So I see no reason that, in fact, if you go by the UGC regulation, if you have completed 1 year service, if there is anything from the management, they will inform the person concerned if there is anything adverse. But then if there is nothing, automatically it has been confirmed, and once confirmed, that means NEHU, they just need to give the NOC. And that is for them, we don't know. But for us, because see, election is maybe by October or November, so we cannot just sit, we have to fight